Welcome to Guitar Power Up. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Brutal from Olivia Rodrigo's new album, Sour. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more lessons from this artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Enjoy! So the first part I want to show you is the intro. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you with tabs. So the intro is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is a B major chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 7th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 8th fret of the G string. And you're going to strum that 5 times. Then we're going to go to an A sharp major chord. So you're just going to take the B major chord and move it down 1 fret. You're going to strum that once. Then we're going to go to an A major chord. So you're going to take the A sharp and move it down 1 fret and strum that once. And then you're going to do that whole thing 3 more times. And it repeats, and I'll play it for you one more time. It sounds like this. Now the verse. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you with tabs. So for the verse, we're going to start out by doing the same exact thing we did during the intro. So B major, then A sharp major, then A major, then 3 more times. Then we're going to stay on the A major. Then again. Then we're going to go to a G sharp major. So you're just going to take the A major and move it down 1 fret. Then G major, so just take the G sharp major and move it down 1 fret. Then we're going to go to an F sharp major, so you're just going to take the G major and move it down 1 fret. And it repeats, and I'll play it for you one more time. It sounds like this. Now the chorus, I'll play it for you. Now the chorus, I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you with tabs. So for the chorus, we're going to start on an E major chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 7th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. And you're also going to bar the D, G, and B string on the 9th fret. Then we're going to go to a B major chord, which we already learned. Then we're going to go to an A sharp major. We're going to strum that twice. Then we go to a A major, which we already learned. Then then back to the E major, then back to the B major. And I'll play it for you one more time. It sounds like this. And that's it for Brutal. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more lessons from this artist, and visit GuitarPowerUp.com for more videos. Thanks.